Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram from light mode to dark mode on computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Instagram.com. So by the way, this is a super simple tutorial, okay? So just go ahead and log in your Instagram account. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on these three little lines at the lower left corner of your screen. And then here you can see the switch appearance option. So just go ahead and click on that. So as you can see that my Instagram is now on dark mode. So if you want to switch it back to the light mode, so just go ahead and click again on the switch appearance option. And as you can see, my Instagram is now on light mode. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.